right. Hopefully everything works out today. Don't have any audio, any background music just yet. But I'm getting everything situated. A few minutes ago I had to eat dinner. You know, it be like that sometimes. All right. So let's get the analysis down first. Okay. So we on the week. I always start with the week. I like starting with the week. The week gives me motivation on what could happen. So right now we are very bearish. We could take this as a pullback before we push up, being that we broke out of this support, but this will be the second candle pushing up. Okay. Or you could see this as a double top. Push past that. Let's see how this 4 hour is gonna treat us. Let's see if we get good with this 4 hour. We are past the previous 4 hour. We got about 31 pips until the next 4 hour break. So do we put it here? Or do we keep it up here? Saying, yeah, this is the previous 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Alright, so these zones, zone this, zone that. So this is a pullback from earlier session. I seen this happening earlier and I didn't take anything, but I should have, because I did see my setup. I definitely did see my setup. So if we get a closure out of that, where are we going? Well, what's first? How many pips away is this? TP, for instance, saying, hey, this could be possible chance of reversal in this area, or we could just shoot past it. Yeah, we definitely could shoot past it. So let's see what the next 30 minutes is hitting on. Alright. 30-minute zone would be right here. Excuse me. It already did kind of a pullback, so I don't expect much to happen as far as a pullback. And these right here, now this wick could be a problem, Just letting you know. But I doubt it. I want to see it get closed past there. So this is New York low. Okay. Then we got New York highs up here. That's not New York highs. This is New York highs. So we haven't gotten to New York highs in a minute. And right now we are closing. We are closed below London lows as well. London highs is too far away, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So this is what we're looking like. Let's transfer this to our good friend Hanko. Alright, so this is what we have. This zone compatible with this zone. Hold on. We want to see a closure outside of this zone. It's 15 minutes. And aim for I know it wasn't this. It was this song. It wasn't. This is the song. Wait. Yo, I hate when they do this. Like, bro, what are they doing, man? You can be connected to the. Alright, look, I need to find out which zone this is because 7 o'clock is coming up in fast. If you don't know, 7 o'clock is the open. Alright, so what we have is the first TP. Okay. This would be the first TP. We definitely don't need much. Nice little 32 pepperoni will get us right. But just in case we do continue down. This is where we were going. All in all, about 50 pips. 28 until our first zone. Okay. definitely not much up here. About 21 pips. And a lot of consolidation sideways. Okay. Also, I know New York lows is right here. And I definitely want to make sure that's okay. Okay. Cool beans. Cool beans. Everyone's okay. Everyone's looking so. Gold would have been nice today, but hey. Oh well. Just wasn't looking. Well, I was looking, I just wasn't prepared. Because I did see a closure outside of this zone. But I just wasn't like, hey, okay, this has to happen. So let's go back to trading view. Okay. It's remove these drawings. So we back in that range of consolidation. The week is bearish, but it is doji like right now. Well, not even doji like, but kind of right now. The daily closed bullish. This is a nice kangaroo tail, 2 in the top third of the candle. Let's see how far away is that's about 28 pips away. So with that being like that, I kind of want to see like a daily flip. So I'm gonna put my daily line just right here to see if the daily flip is going to work out. Okay. So let's do 4 hour. 4 hour flip would be up there basically. Where could we travel to? Definitely momentum to travel up here. But hey, this is a very wicked out area. So it could have some trouble in this area. It could be a lot of trouble. You see how many touches we got here? We got, I don't feel like using that. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 touches. That is wild. 10, 11 touches. So it definitely wants to go up. Let's just see how far it's going to go up. Now we did predict gold to try to go down once it got to this level. We did predict that, but that was during New York session. The same thing could be applying here. We just have to understand what's going on. I already see on the 1 hour a nice red zone. And I kind of actually want to test this red zone out. So 1 hour red zone. Control. But of course I'm going to go down to the 30-minute and down to the down the rest of the way. Okay, so that's the zone. How far away is this candle if we close outside of this zone? 20 pips away. Cool. That's nice. 30 minutes. Let's go down. Okay. That is definitely more promising. We already got a closure outside of this zone, but slow in momentum. and we would have to get past of this ruckus if we were to go down. So what was the top of the hourly candle? Let me squinch that up real quick. Let me clone you, my boy. So out of all the ruckus, this is it looks like it's very guaranteed. We're just gonna move that down a little bit. So if we close above, okay, that's 23 pips. Wow, so much. Okay, it don't look like we're going to actually go up. It does not look like we are going up. We could though. About 6 minutes to the open. This is why I get on early, so my analysis can be on point. Okay. 15 minutes. So that definitely is where it is. Alright. See if we can get them, boys. Okay, that's about 50 pips away. Alright. Now, if I was to put a support, it would be right here. This will be my support. Okay. Let's make sure of that. And this is definitely ruckus. So I don't see us going up top. If we go up top, hey, surprise me. But I'm not going to be taking anything up top. Clean ranges are down below, especially after this area, but we got to get to that area first. Alright, so Hanko, here we come. We coming back. Yeah, Hanko, give us something good. Okay, the 15-minute. Alright. Alright. And if we are to continue down, filling out this range could be, man, yo, I be hating that. Alright, filling out this range could go. Okay, now control back to the 15 minutes so we can put this right here. And that's a nice clean range to fill. But hey, we're not there yet. We're up here in the ruckus. Alright. So let's see if I can get a poll going first, because that needs to be okay. the pole out the way. We look like we're getting close to the lows. Let's see if we can get right. Alright, we got that going. And let's start to make this lag. Complete overload. Yes, indeed. I love it. I love complete overload mode. Push my computer as best as I can. Push it. Alright. Now, the first thing I am looking for is a test of these lows right here. These New York lows. The reason why I need a test of those lows is because it's not guaranteed if we don't get a test. It's definitely not guaranteed if we don't get a test. Okay. Looks like it is rejecting. But hey, we don't know. Nothing right here at the open. Alright. Nothing right here at the open. Close below the bank zone right here. And we range them in between this bank zone. Okay. Let me go ahead and get my key levels. Alright, seems like our friend the music has finally arrived. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that's down low. Off. Okay. Okay. Select all. Had a little lag right there already, huh? Already. All right, while we're waiting, I like to actually wait like this. While we're waiting for closure, I'm going to read. Now I want to get all up and petty with this because just want to make sure everything is good. Probably got less than 30 pages or 50 pages left. Less than 30 pages left. See if we can go ahead and knock them out in this session. Decide what kind of investor you want to be. Start small and learn to solve problems. Have you ever wondered why some investors make more money with a lot less risk than others? Most people struggle financially because they avoid financial problems. One of the biggest secrets my rich dad taught me was this: if you want to acquire great wealth quickly, take on great financial problems. Oh, most people struggle because they avoid financial problems. If you want to acquire great wealth quickly, take on great financial problems. What is a financial problem? Alright. In part 1 of this book, I discuss the 5 levels of investors. I would like to add one more type one more distinction that defines three different types of investors. Type A, investors who seek problems. Type B, investors who seek answers. Type C, investors who seek an expert to tell them what to do. Type C investors. Type C investors are financially uneducated and look for people to tell them what to invest in. I definitely don't want to be that. I definitely want to be a type B. Okay. People in the E and S quadrants have been forced into the investing game because of changes in retirement plans. They have little interest in investing in their education so they can become better investors. They know nothing, which means they have to rely on advice of other so-called experts. Okay, I don't like that. What is the chance of the type C investors getting rich? About as much chance of winning the lottery. May as well go buy a lottery ticket, huh? Type B investors seek answers. They often ask questions like, what do you recommend I invest in? Do you think I should buy real estate? What stocks are good for me? I talked to my broker and he recommended I diversify. My parents gave me a few shares of stocks. Should I sell them? Wow. Type B investors should interview several task advisors. There we go. Fucking up again. There we go. Type B investors should interview several tax advisors, attorneys, stockbrokers, and real estate agents. Choose carefully and start implementing their advice. They should find advisors who practice what they preach and run fast from anyone who is selling investment advice and getting rich on commissions and fees alone. Type B investors should look for investment advisors who make money investing in the same investments they are selling. Type B investors should interview. Wait, did I? Wait. So I'm not a type B investor. They should find advisors who practice what they preach and run fast from anyone who is selling investment advice. Interview tax advisor, attorney, stockbroker, real estate agent. Choose carefully and start implementing their advice. Find advisors who practice what they preach, run fast from anyone who's selling investment advice, getting rich on commissions and fees alone. Type B investors should look for investment advisors. Look for investment advisors who make money investing in the same investments they are selling. I often find that many high-income E's and S's fall into the type B investor category because they are busy and have little time to look for investment opportunities or learn about the right side of the cash flow quadrant. Hence, they want somebody to give them the answer instead of gaining knowledge for themselves. So I'm definitely not the type B investor, okay? Alright. This group often buys what the type A investors call retail investments, which are investments that have been packaged for sale to the masses. Type A investors Type A investors look for problems, and particularly they look for problems caused by those who get financial trouble. Okay, they look for problems by those who get into financial trouble. Alright, give me a second. I never thought I would have to come to this moment, but my girlfriend told me I would have to come to this moment, and I have to come to this moment. So I'll be back. I'll be watching from my phone, and yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Yeah, that definitely did not feel right. So, all right, I just want to point out from here to here is where we had our zone on TradingView. So this candle right here actually did come about. Oh gosh, this candle right here actually did come out of our zone. But remember, we are waiting for this to touch these lows, give us some kind of momentum after touching these lows. Also, GJ is not valid right now. It's not being valid. Alright, so type A investors look for problems, and in particular, they look for problems caused by those who get into financial trouble. Investors who are good at solving problems expect to make a return of 25% to infinity on their money. They are typically level 5 investors with strong finance foundations. So I don't have, technically I'm not even on the chart for real, because I'm not looking to get rich quick, basically hitting the lottery. I don't ask what do I recommend investing in. I go look for the things that I should invest in. That is what I do. I go look for the things that's necessary to invest in. I'm not asking a dumb question talking about something. Do you think I should buy real estate? Yeah, I'm buying real estate. I'm acquiring as much real estate as I can. As much real estate as I can. Dividends, well, stocks are decent. Dividends are better. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking to get paid while investing into a company. I only do that for just, you know what I'm saying, upgrading and passive income. I do understand that it's very long term. So that is going to be for, you know, how it goes. All right. We testing the waters. Let's see if we can get an entry going. About 41 pips away. I should have just went on ahead and bought in but no. We got 12 pips on this candle. Let's go ahead and see if our friend Magic Keys want to be friendly with us today, because we haven't taken a trade with him in a minute. Book time to be closed. We got about 7 minutes until the closure of this candle. GJ looks like it definitely wants to go up. You know, it be like that sometimes though. Magic Keys be our friend today. Okay, we're focused on, you know, buddy friend right there. You know, we want to switch that because we want to sell. Alright, that's what we want to do. We want to sell. Okay, we risking 1%. Definitely 1%. And I want to see if we can get down here. Alright. So that definitely just lagged. And see, look, I noticed when it's a lag. That's crazy. Alright, give me 1 a second. Let's find out. Bless me. Sorry about that. Got about 5 minutes until the closure of this candle. All right. Okay. So yeah. No. Exit you out. Exit you out. On screen, open screen, open. You going there. Alright, so why do I have you open? Okay. Like I said, it already closed outside of our zone right there. Yo, why you taking so long? It don't want me to take this trade. That's probably why it's taking so long. Is it trying to tell me something? Is it trying to reference this imbalance that we are? Is it trying to reference this imbalance that we are closely approaching? Alright, that definitely took some time. Alright, open cow. We got about 1 minute until the $7:30 candle. Test these. Yeah, they don't want me to trade gold. I can see that right now. Any other time it'd be like, oh yeah, we gonna get you right. We gonna get you right. See, look, candle flip already happened. It didn't though. What's on the 1 hour? Nothing major. What's on the 4 hour? We don't care about the 4 hour. We care about it, but we don't. Yeah, we care about it. 4 hours pushing. Down. Not much. Definitely not much. So we got about 15 pips of risk. See, look, bro, these things are definitely playing right now. Why they playing? I have never seen Magic Keys act this way. Okay. Oh my gosh. Is it just on gold? Oh my god, yes, it's playing with us. Thank you. Whoever voted, thank you. It means a lot. It definitely means a lot. See, look, they definitely did not want me to take that trade. Cause look, watch. It still didn't open. It's all good though. They playing. Okay. Yo, why is this not working? All right. That's depressing. Yeah, that is so depressing right there. And I understand. I definitely understand. I just need a better PC, huh? Oh my gosh. Oh. Am I tripping, bro? I think I got a better place to put this mic. Maybe so. 3 minutes until this candle closes and 9 o'clock open. Well, not open, but the new hourly candle. Alright, so GJ definitely not looking like it want to be part of the winning team. It does look like it's rejecting these lows, but you know, and I got a meeting after this. Less than a minute left. This will be the new 4-hour candle as well. So we got two new candles, the hourly and the 4-hour. And 30, 15, 5, and 1. New candle, let's see where you go. Let's see if we giving bullish momentum or if you playing with people's emotions. Definitely got a 4-hour imbalance to feel on gold. Is it gonna feel right now or during London session? That's the question. Play games. Alright, so this is where we left off. Type A investors look for problems. Already read that. Who are investors who are good at solving problems expect to make return 25% to infinity on their money. They are typically level 5 investors with strong financial foundations. They possess the skill necessary to succeed as business owners and investors, and they use those skills to solve problems caused by people who lack such skill. For example, when I first started investing with only $18,000, I focused on small condominiums and houses that were in foreclosure because of problems created by investors who did not manage their cash flow well and ran out of money. After a few years, I was still looking for problems, but this time the numbers were bigger. Several years ago, I was working on acquiring a $30 million mining company in Peru. Whoa, that's nice right there. See, look, now I want to play. Now I want to give us something. Give us something. What let's see. It's not the hour. It might be a 30-minute flip. Might. But hey, it still hasn't broken these lows right here. So if I press open cow, I move this up there, and I go back down here. Okay. That's about 195 pips. Do I plan on getting that? No. But it's possible. It definitely is possible. Okay. This candle currently is about 16.7 pips. Now, I do have to wait for closure, of course. So we got about 10 minutes until the closure. Alright, so $30 million mining company in Peru. While the problem in numbers were bigger, the process was the same. How to get on the fast track faster. If you start small and learn to solve problems, you will gain immense wealth as you become better and better at solving problems. For those who wish to acquire assets faster, I again emphasize the need to first learn the skill of the BNI quadrant. I recommend learning how to build a business first because it provides vital education experience, improves personal skills, provides cash flow to soften the ups and downs of the marketplace, and provides free time. Okay, I definitely pressed something by mistake. It hasn't broken these lows yet. Okay, so learning how to build a business first, because it provides vital education, improve personal skills, soften ups and downs, and marketplace, provide free time. Sorry, I'm just killing everybody here. Okay, it is the cash flow for my business that bought me the free time to begin looking for financial problems to solve. You can be all three types of investors. In reality, I operate as all three types of investors. I'm type C investors when it comes to mutual funds. Okay, and type C's are the winning the lottery. When I'm asked, what mutual fund do you recommend? I tell the person, I have no idea. Okay. So is this liquidity? Because it didn't take out any lows. It didn't. But it got to that low. So this is why we wait. Yes, indeed, this is why we wait. As a type B investor, I seek professional answers to my financial problems. I seek answers from advisors including tax and wealth strategies, stockbrokers, bankers, and real estate brokers. As a type B, I seek professional answers to my financial problems. Okay. When you find good ones, these professionals provide a wealth of information many people do not personally have the time to acquire. Alright, so we are definitely struggling to get above old buddy right here. Yeah, we definitely struggling to get past old buddy right there, okay? And we're definitely struggling to get past old buddy right here. All this ruckus. You see all that ruckus? I wonder what that looks like on the 5-minute actually. Okay. So it's getting down there. Just haven't broken it yet. Ha 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 ha. Nowhere near has broken it. Almost though. This is why we wait. Alright, the advice from my financial advisor is valuable because they know trust, wills, and insurance far better than I ever will. Financial advisors know trust, wills, and insurance. They are also closer to the market and more up to date with any changes in the laws. Up to date with any changes in the laws and how that might affect the markets. There is much more to investigating than simply buying and selling. I also give my money to other investors to invest for me. In other words, I partner with other level 4 and level 5 investors in their investments. These are individuals I personally know and trust. If they choose to invest in an area I know nothing about, such as low-income housing or large office buildings, I may choose to give my money to them because I know they are good at what they do and I trust their knowledge. Find people you trust. Friends. So while reading this book, I've gotten down to the point of finding people, finding more friends. They matter because I'm talking about real, true friends that are going in the direction that you want to go. They definitely matter. So about 8:15, 5 minutes from now. Why you should get started quickly. One of the main reasons I recommend that people find their own financial fast track quickly and take getting rich seriously is because in America and most of the world there are two sets of rules, one for the rich and one for everyone else. Many laws are written against people stuck in financial rat race. In other words of business worlds of business and investing, I find it shocking how little the middle class knows when it comes to where its tax dollars are going. Although tax dollars are going to many worthwhile causes, many of the larger tax brackets, incentives, and payments are going to the rich, and the middle class pays for them. For example, insufficient low-income housing in America is a huge problem and a political hot potato. To help solve this problem, cities, states, and the federal government offer substantial tax credits, tax breaks, and subsidized rent to people who finance and build low-income housing. Just by knowing the laws, financiers and builders become wealthier by having taxpayers subsidize their investment in low-income housing. That is crazy. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna highlight this whole thing. Why is it unfair? Okay, we getting somewhere now. About 15 minutes until the close. If this closes below this line, I'm looking to enter on the next candle. If this closes below this line, I'm looking to enter on the next candle. Yep. Gold. Give us something good. Give us something good, gold. Book goes away because gold is in motion to play with our minds. Okay. Why are you moving with the market? Okay. This is a 25 pip candle, so doesn't change anything. I definitely would like to know where this imbalance lies within the market. Okay. Properties, medium, silver. Okay. And that right there, not the horizontal line, but the fib. Fib has to go. Okay, unselect all. Alright, so even if we close below this, that's even better. But I just want to closure below this. This ensures that we are good to go. Risking 25 pips for however much, 25 pips for about 36, a little over 1. But we're looking to get at least 1% from out of this trade, and we gonna let the market take over. Okay, so it looks like the market is messing with us. We got 2 more minutes until the closure of this candle. Okay, parameters. Wow, it just had to be one off, huh? Okay, unselect all. Alright, got less than a minute left. GJ still ain't doing nothing. I just want you to close below this line. And close below the line. Close below the line. And give us momentum of breaking through this bank zone. I want you to close below the bank zone, actually. So, okay. At the flip of this right here, I would like a top wick. I would like a top wick. I would like a top wick rejecting this zone, sir. I would like a top wick. Give us a top wick. Give us a top wick. Don't reject the bank zone, but give us a top wick. Why are you going towards the bank zone? How the fuck is this spread like? Okay, it's 2 pips. 2 pip spread. 3 pip spread. Oh gosh. Yeah, go back up. Go back up. Retest. Retest. Yep. Just retest. Don't do nothing extravagant now. We just want you to retest, buddy. Come on, man. I haven't had a trade in a very long time. This could go great. I see it now. 100 pip call out. I'm joking. But hey. Now, the only reason why I'm interested in this trade is because we closed below market structure. All below all this BS up here. Now, the 830 candle could give us what we want. I would like a weak, you know what I'm saying, candle right there. I already know the 30-minute candle. I mean, that was, you know what I'm saying, a better option. But hey, we could wait. I wouldn't be up nothing but 12 pips, 14 pips. Excuse me. Break it this low, break it this low. Wish it closed below the bank zone actually, but we still can get in. Below the bank zone when it gave us that high probability. Like, hey, this is your moment. Up 23 pips. These are the new East Asia lows as well. We just calm, waiting for our entry, just being calm. Waiting to execute. Yep. It seems like it's rejecting these wicks right here. We still in Wick City though, but it's rejecting these wicks to the left. Well, it's not. Let me shut up. Let me just look. Got about 9 minutes until Asia open. So we could get an execution on this 830 candle. If not, I'm gonna be calling Lens up and getting my one-on-one session down. Okay. Yep. This is what we want, buddy. Now I'm looking for a break of these lows to the left before I execute on anything. That's exactly what I'm looking for. A break of these lows to the left. Gold is getting real testy. Even if we have a weak bullish candle, we can still get into these bars on the next candle. Alright, so I knew I wasn't tripping. This is 4 pips. Spread is like 44 pips. So I'll have to get 14 pips to even get. Matter of fact, I will have to get 22 pips to get break even. Ooh, it almost got us right there. It almost got us. It almost got us. I seen you, buddy. We just gonna wait. Now, if it closed below this bank zone, I just know I'm getting to this trade. Waiting patiently. Less rift because of this imbalance right here. So about 10 pips. Okay. Now it did break that. It did break it. Just gonna wait patiently. Even if we lose, it's nothing. let's check on GJ, even though we're not gonna get into GJ. Oh, GJ is going down as well. Scary thing, scary thing. So we risking about 19 pips. 0.03, so half risk. All right, about to go ahead and start entering everything into my trading journal. I should have just waited for a closure. Tell myself right now, man, hey, just wait for the closure. Just wait for the closure. Why not? Why not just wait for the closure? That's all right. 8:30 candle. Let's see what you do. It did close below that bank zone. Yes, indeed, it did. Let's see if we can get a push down towards where we need to go and where we need to be. All right, 4 pips down. Last day of the month. Let's see if we can get a good one. We missed a good one from earlier. 01 dash 31 dash 2023. It is. It's the 8:15 candle. This is gold. This is the OG strike as always. Market execution. And then got that risk right there, half risk. We opened at 1924.75. We haven't closed yet. There is no news. trading view. Let's get a good representation of what trading view have got going on for us. Okay. Let's go back to gold. Why is it on the 4 hour? We need to be on the 15-minute. Give it some time for it to load. Okay, so I see where I'm going wrong. So I just need to be a little bit more patient because a candle flip could happen here. You know, and I got it above this imbalance on the 15-minute. I put it above that imbalance because, you know, it might hit the 50% imbalance and then slide back down again. You know what I'm saying? For continuation to the downside. And I just want to be prepared for that. If I'm not prepared for that, oh well, I lose 1%. So what? Cool. On to the next trade. I definitely can't be mad about it. So gold is loaded. Okay, down to the 15-minute you go. Saying I chose to slide through with this. Still down. Don't worry, as long quicker we do this. Alright, so we are around this imbalance on O and so that could be what it is. You know, I'm not worried about that though. Short position. The break of this low. But of course we didn't get down to the break of that low. My stop loss about right there, and I'm aiming for down here in reality. I'm aiming for like right here in this area. That's what I'm aiming. You know, it's imbalance up in here that needs to be filled, but this is what I'm aiming. No momentum just yet. But we could be getting it because we did close below the imbalance on trading view. So let's see what our good buddy Hanko is talking about. Feel a winner. I just feel him. You know what I'm saying? It's all, I just feel it. And I definitely want it to happen. Push, baby, push. Like I said, we did close below this bank zone. That is our second confirmation. First confirmation was the close outside of our red zone. Wait, no. First, yeah, that's the first. Then the second confirmation is the closure below the lows. And then our third confirmation, well, I should have waited, but the third confirmation is the closure below these bank zones. So we got 3 confirms. So it should be a guarantee that we coming down, but Gold want to play. Gold likes to play. And I just hope, you know what I'm saying, it don't play with us the way that it plays with everybody else. I just hope everything is nice and clean, but we do have old Wick City to the left of us. Wick. So don't give us Wick. You know what I'm saying? By the way, we actually have to go to Alabama to get our Wick. Inside joke, if you know what I mean, you just know it. Okay. This right here is the first TP that I would like to go, but hey, I hope I'm not speaking too early. Now we haven't breaking these lows, but we need to. We definitely need to. It hasn't even filled out this 15-minute imbalance. And these candles are getting low in volume. So is that a break? Come on, give us another one. Break. We got a break. It broke it. I know it broke it. Keep on coming. Drop. Just drop. It definitely did break these lows. Like it broke it with momentum. Now I'm just waiting on the big gulp. 5 minutes to the next candle. It could be like, hey man, I want to give it to you, but you gotta work for this. You gotta work for this. We gotta be technical. See if we missed anything. I don't think we missed anything, but let's just go back and check. Doesn't hurt. Breaking these lows. Next hourly candle should continue to drop. And just waiting. All right. I'm not asleep. I just wasn't looking up at the chat, but I'm a pip is like a point. You know what I'm saying? Like a point in the market. It's a milli. Well, look, if you see right here on gold, it actually says 41 points right here. You probably can't see that. It's probably a little small, but you know what I'm saying? Right now I'm up. Right here it says 2 pips. Well, 23.0 points negative. I'm down 23.0 points. But the pip is the first number. That's just this calculator. But in reality, a pip is how many points you go up. You know, how many 100 points you go up on gold. But on GJ is how many actual points you go up. Not including the last number. It'll be 13 points. I don't know if you can see all that, but LOL. Hey man, I'm in a call right now, man. I'm in a call right now, my boy. Thanks for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? They playing with me right now, man. They playing with me. They don't want me to succeed. They slowing me down. I got my closure outside my zone. It did right. Came up, retested. Retested this low. It did right. It went back down. I got in at the break of this candle. But apparently it ain't breaking. Well, it's breaking, but it ain't breaking how I want it to. Hey man, you know what I'm saying? We always gonna win, you know what I'm saying? I don't care about losers. Losers are lessons, man. It's knowledge. Oh God. Ugh. Man, what you doing? I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. You learn how to do this shit, fool. Man, you'll unlock a new level of you. You'll unlock a new level of you. It'll push you to work harder as a human being towards your goals and towards like life, bro. You won't want to work a job the rest of your life. I swear to God, after trading Forex, you'll never want to work a job ever again. Oh shit, I don't want to work the job I'm at. Oh God. See, look, man, I quit smoking and everything. I ain't gonna say I quit, man. I do it from time to time type shit. Like, I just don't, I'm not finna be like, oh, let me go roll up, you know what I'm saying? I could, you know what I'm saying? I just, it's better to, you know what I'm saying, to have a clear mind and understand what you're going through, you know what I'm saying? Instead of have all these voices. Oh God, when I used to smoke all the time, I felt like left and right motherfucker talking to me on this show, talking so you doing great. In reality, it's this nigga that's taking over. Like, hey, yeah, nah, you fucking up, cuz. Oh God. Hey, for real, bro. I was supposed to quit when I was like 20, bro. When I had first met your ass, you know what I'm saying? I was like, matter of fact, yeah. When I had first met you, I was like, I was contemplating quitting then. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna quit. Whoop whoop whoop. Never quit it. Kept smoking. And then you probably don't know who Foolie is, but Via son Foolie, he, you know what I'm saying? He came and probably smoked an ounce every day for about a week. I thought he rolled them bitches back to back. I was sitting like, oh man, I'm never gonna fucking quit. But it be like that, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping. I'm done now. For the meantime, I ain't gonna cap like I'm done all the way. If it's party mode, I'm getting high as a kite, nigga. No Percocet. Fuck you talking about. Oh yeah, we did meet. You did meet him in the barbershop. Yeah, dude, he's supposed to drop, man. His birthday was 2 days ago. He was supposed to drop. But dude ass, he ain't paid distro kid. I told him stop playing and go on here and hit United Masters up for that year for that $60. For that $60, but dude bullshitting. Oh God, he playing. Man, I know you can get $60, bro. You can go into the barbershop and ask people to cut their hair. On me, you don't need no clippers. Marcus will give him some. Oh God, he'll be fucking somebody head up though. I know that for sure. Hey, so you moved back to Huntsville? I mean, to the Ville for good, didn't you? Shit, that's what's up, boy. Run that dough up. You know what I'm saying? Run that bag up, man. Same thing I say to everybody. Run that bag up, man. You gonna get right. Hey, man, this ain't moving how I want it to. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to shot down by now. It's playing with me. And watch. I feel like if I decide to, well, it might wait till the new candle, you know what I'm saying, the new hourly candle to go ahead and do what it got. Oh God, you need to come slide down here, fool. It's lonely as a motherfucker down here, bro. I ain't got nobody. I need to go find me some white friends that own a lot of real estate so I can learn a real estate game without having to be a realtor. Cause you know you ain't gotta be a realtor to sell your own properties. I can hire a realtor when I get over 100K worth of equity. You know what I'm saying? They ain't gonna do nothing but get 3%. 3% ain't shit, bro. Compared to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Well, if you really want to be honest, everything is real money. I'm just being a hundo right now. You know what I'm saying? Everything is real money. We got about 8 minutes until the next hourly candle. You know what I'm saying? Even if you making this shit illegally, bro, it's still real. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, if say you trying to go the route that I'm going, you know what I'm saying, you need to have a paper trail, you know, as far as like making investments and shit like that. You need to have a paper trail as far as where is your money coming from for you to invest into this thing. So like starting out, bro, they don't really care. They know people be having cash and stuff like that, or a job or something. Most people be having like little side hustles, some mowing grass and shit. They don't be caring about that. You know what I'm saying? Selling weed, woo to woo. You invest in a vending machine, you be straight, fool. On me, you go put that motherfucker in a barber shop somewhere, or a laundromat somewhere, you know, anywhere that they wait. You know what I'm saying? It could be in an auto body shop. You know what I'm saying? Somebody local. You know what I'm saying? Don't go to the big businesses that they be already having their own stuff, but you know, be getting right. So I know this don't want to go up, man. I know it. You know what I'm saying? So I could have waited just a little bit too early, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. That's how I'm finna get a little bit of income, more income in, invest in a little vending machine, 2 vending machines, and then I'm gonna get more income sliding in, and then after that, you know, after I get enough money for that, I'm gonna get enough. Nah, not the gelato vending machine, boy. You funny, but what I'm finna say? A little after the little vending machine, I'm trying to save up, meaning, you know what I'm saying, 10 bands. I'm gonna get on Toro. I'm gonna go get me a car. And well, it's gonna eventually be for me and my family, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna get the car and then I'm put that bitch on Toro, you know what I'm saying? So other people can, you know what I'm saying? It'd probably be like 200 a day type shit, like, you know what I'm saying? And insurance, they gotta pay for insurance if they want to be insured. All the extra shit, you know what I'm saying? You get charged after 200 miles, you gonna get charged 10 cents a mile. On me, fine print they ass real quick. You better read the fine print. Oh God, fool. I'm tripping though. Man, 30 minutes just went by so quick, bro. And we ain't went nowhere. Wait, City over here giving us trouble, you know what I'm saying? But what I was finna say? Hey, is the stream lagging or anything, bro? Is it straight? You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to have no laggy ass stream. I'm really doing this shit off my laptop. Man, you know what I'm saying? I get it from my daddy, you know what I'm saying? He showed me how to break a boat down when I was only 13, you know what I'm saying? And then he went to jail for 5 years. Shout out to my stepdaddy too, that sorry ass nigga, you know what I'm saying? He showed me how to cook crack, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good, I ain't tripping. I'm trying to get this shit the right way, you hear me? I'm trying to make sure my daughter can have this shit, cause I ain't trying to end up broke. 4 minutes to the next candle. Hopefully this one drives down how we want it to. If it does not, then I'll be getting out early, probably. Hey, I'm about to get on a call, man. So, man, fuck you too, man. All I want is a check from they ass. On God, I ain't really tripping on they ass for real. You know what I'm saying? I've been supposed to have a check from they ass, man. I just wasn't trying for real. Now I'm trying. Like I know I gotta do this shit now. You know what I'm saying? Well, not got to. I feel passionate on doing this. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I ain't tripping, bro. I ain't tripping. I'm still a nigga at heart. On God. Fuck, I'm gonna hold myself back or something when I'm gonna lie to him. Oh, I just I feel like cursing today, so I'm going to curse today. Wait, where did I grab this imbalance from? Whoa. New hourly candle. Hopefully they don't play me. Oh, it's not a new hourly candle. Hey man, I call it how I see it, man. I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? Only the real survive, and I guess I'm the realest nigga. Okay. Yeah. We actually gonna take this out because. All right, man. I'm finna get on my call, man. If I say some, if I sound proper, don't say shit. Yes, I'm here. I'm doing fine. How about you? All right. All right. So I go back to that. Go back to the trading plan real quick, cause I instead of doing like 10 pips full risk, 20 pips full risk, more than 20 pips half risk, I just do 1% now. I risk 1%, and if it's if like I'm not confident in the entry, I just drop down to 0.5%. You know what I'm saying? Or I just don't enter at all. Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel like I'm making so much progress. Yeah. Uh huh. Right. Yeah. I'm actually in a trade right now. Yeah. I see a somewhat. If you want to look at gold, I see a somewhat clean range, but I noticed it was definitely Wick City to the left, and we closed below um, market structure, below the wicks, and now we're kind of consolidating, and I kind of want to exit the trade, but I'm on gold. Um, 30 minutes ago. Next to the right. When it broke that, yeah, when it broke that, I entered. When it broke the low of the previous, I entered. Yeah, and, and yeah. So my reason for entering this trade was because I had three confirmations. We closed below the bank zone, out of the box, and below the wicks of the previous. Well, on MetaTrader, yeah, on MetaTrader it looks a little different, but just the gist is the same. So it definitely did that, but and it actually is. Yeah. News. I now forgot all about that. Just that quick. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. And that's honestly why I stayed in the trade, is because of the 30-minute wick. I mean the 30-minute flip. But if it goes to I got an imbalance. Well, you see this if you go down to the 15-minute, you'll see the imbalance on the candle to what, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to the left of our current candle, and I just got that halfway through, like you showed me probably 2 trades ago. My stop loss is right above the imbalance, so if we get to that 50% mark, I'm just gonna go ahead. Yeah, yeah. So I'm, yeah, right there actually. Yeah. Mm. It's not. It is an hour after 8 o'clock. So technically, I'm really not supposed to be in this trade. Look, not you trying to take the credit. No, I'm just joking. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely noticed that was a loss from the beginning, because we definitely had a lot of trouble getting above. See where I entered at versus where I exited. I was like, nah, I'm not even about to let this go and risk more than what I need to, or lose more than what I need to. Hmm. Okay. All right. So yeah, I definitely wasn't looking at it that way, but I see it now. You got to keep that. Yeah. Uh, yeah. So I definitely seen the double bottom. I definitely seen the double bottom and the closure. And I got in on the next candle because I thought it broke, but then really it was just tapping it. Yeah, and then it went back down. That was before you it was probably like a couple weeks ago. Yeah, and that's actually what that move did, if I'm not mistaken. It tested the, yeah. Yeah, I remember seeing that loss review. Yeah. Stream has ended. Cricket noise. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Mhm. Okay. Yes, it does. All right. So I have been battling with, for the most part, I do wake up on time, but I've been battling with waking up on time. Well, Well, the days that I usually get up on time is the same time, 4:45 every morning. And I probably, for the past 3 weeks, I've missed 1 to 2 days each week. And that sometimes I just be like, skip it and just go all the way until I gotta go to work. And that be the well, I gotta be at work about 9, and probably don't get out of bed until 8:15. Man, yeah, exactly. So I mean, I do, but I try not to because of other things that I have to do. So probably like 6 maybe. Okay. Okay. that's that's what I do. I'm supposed to be up at 5 o'clock, and I set my alarm for 4:45, so that I'm watching like something like my little social media time directly in the morning to get me up, to be like, oh, you need to go, or I just yeah, I don't press it though. Unless I sleep in. All right. Cool. Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah. I will. Yeah. Your time difference is like massively different, but I understand. Why'd you even move to Arizona though? Like, I understand you said you wanted a change, but like all the way over there. I understand though. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Man, if you'd have did that, they'd been pulling up at your house. So I definitely understand. Man, I think he do. I really think Money Man do got one out for real. Cause he be that motherfucker be like a little low on that. Yeah, I, I seen it. I probably stopped watching him probably like what a couple years ago. Yeah. Mm. Hey, them guards do be like not caring though, cause of course, I used to do Uber, and it was like I just come in to gated community with a guard and be like, I'm delivering food, and I'll probably be eating food or something. They never know, and they be like, oh, okay, cool. Bye, have a nice time. They don't check no IDs or nothing. Yeah, that's good. I got dreams. Wait. I, I do have another question. What did you do to get your first 10,000? Yeah, yeah. I definitely believe you. Believe it or not, I'm probably one of the few people that actually listen. Yeah, So even though I already know what you told me about this trade, I exited this trade, and well, of course it's a loss, but I lost less than what I intentionally was supposed to. Yeah, actually it definitely did just work. It did, because I just tried to take half. I just tried to close half, and it actually went through. So I lost $5.67. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it was. Yeah. And see, that's my thing. I can't like trade US unless I quit my job or ask for like later hours or something. Okay, what am I doing? I'm taking a screenshot. That's what I'm doing. Screenshot. I already know what's wrong. Waist to the left. And okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ever since. Yeah. My first month profitable, I was gonna buy it, and okay. My first month profitable, I was gonna buy the accelerated and risk what 0.25. Like I was gonna be like really strict, but well, that was gonna be on like things that I know. No, matter of fact, I'm gonna do half risk like you said, and try to be consistent. Yeah, and of course I want my account to move, but I'm just gonna wait, because when I'm making enough money for the trade copier, then I'll be trading or doing a copier. But so I'm definitely not mad, because coming from, wait, what was the first month? Negative 19%, negative 19% to not even what 1/10 of a percent, so not a half a percent. What? Yeah. You talking about the one we just did? The 2 and 19. 2 and 19. What are we talking about? What? As a matter of fact, I know exactly what happened. That was, yeah, that was a news trade, and I was like, said I didn't get slipped as much as I could have, because for me only losing $7, that was pretty good. What happened was it froze, and it didn't do your ordinary froze. It froze for like 10 minutes. So I had my sell stop placed, and then as soon as it went, MetaTrader froze, and I was trying to fix it. I closed it out, came back, it was still froze. Closed it out, came back again, it was still froze. So I just waited. 10 minutes later, 100 pips in, it was like, hey, I'm gonna execute your trade. As soon as that happened, I took it off. I'm like, no, I'm not finna lose no money. The trade already happened. I'm gone. I took it off. So it's like, no. But yeah, coming from almost negative 20% to basically break even in 1 month, I feel like I'm doing pretty well. Where are we looking? Let's look. Yeah. And it's so funny because I put in my journal. I put in my journal that I was gonna reflect on my previous months and just record myself doing it. Yeah. I'm not even. I know it was too early. Way too early. I should have waited until. It actually helps a lot. It most of the time is most of the time it's like, hey, so I'm trying to get used to it rejecting and noticing that it's rejecting the London lows or the session highs and lows, because I would think, hey, I have to tap into this area in order to reject it, but in reality I don't even have to touch it at all for it to reject. Sometimes it does, but most of the time it doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, I went down to I visited the 1 minute a couple times on that one. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure if when I go back, I'm gonna be like, hey, I know I shouldn't have entered this trade, or like I don't even know what's left to that, but hey. Yeah. Yeah. That was a news trade, and it glitched again. Yeah, it glitched again. But my thing was, I was so happy that I did half of half, because if I did like just maybe half, I would have lost $60 versus doing half of half. What was it, $32? That's still a lot of money, but you know, okay. And then there was another one under that was $33 in the next month. That was the half of half one. Well, both of them were half of half, but you see what you. Yep. No, it wasn't a 200 pip risk. It was like a 30 pip risk, but it was a major slip. You know, and then and if you look at the notes, it definitely went like, hey, just no. The same thing happened. The same thing happened from the last trade to this trade, and I yeah. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't pain. It was more of learning. You know, it was like, hey, you didn't back test it the way you know what I'm saying, you supposed to. Like, I was supposed to go into the markets myself instead of just relying on what you said and what you taught during your live stream. And I probably, I mean, I definitely like it. I was at work earlier, so I wasn't like paying attention to the charts, but I'm a I was actually going to go back and rewatch it like after we got off this call. And it was 3 hours. It was 3 hours. Yeah. When I go back and like say I go into a stream and I'm listening to the stream and I go back, I probably watch it on 1.5 speed. And I gotta write the notes down anyway, so because the notes is gonna help me for the future. Yeah. I mean, I'm not trading the news tomorrow, but yeah, yeah. Mhm. I agree. It likes imbalances. Okay. Yeah, and that's the one that you normally trade. Okay. All right. You said to the imbalance. Yeah. It's quote unquote smart money concept, right? And yeah, that's nice. And that's the first news candle, right? Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so like it did in the first one. Okay. So I'm just curious, what happened at 2:30? All right. Yeah, that you asked that earlier, and I was like, hey, I'm just gonna be grateful, and I'm gonna keep it moving. Yeah. I still gotta exercise. Yeah. Yep, I see that. 3 at the bottom, and then above the yeah, I was thinking like, yeah, right above there. All right. Yeah, but it has to fill out the imbalance at the top first to the left. Okay. It's like all right. Yeah. Yeah. Because we're back testing. Yeah. We on Plymouth. Yep. Yeah. I actually remember this trade. You put your break even. Yep, and then it came down and made it break even and then shot up. I was like, oh gosh.